Anyone that has died?
Shadow, which is Amanda, my neighbor.
Mm-hmm.
And he's a dog. I think she's a she or a he.
Mm-hmm.
And he's dead.
Really?
Dead.
I don't think I know Shadow.
No, they're actually my neighbors. They live across me.
Oh, across the way.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Near the mailbox.
So what happened to that dog?
Well, he's dead.
Where'd he go?
In the bushes, probably.
Will he come back?
No,
No?
never. When you're dead, you don't come back.
Oh. I didn't know that.
So, you're not going to come back. Because when you're dead, you're not going to be alive.
Mm-hmm. That's true.
You're not going to stand up, but you're going to actually lay down. But what if you want to be covered? I don't think there's any way to be covered.
Maybe.
Maybe somebody's going to cover me.
Maybe.
I'm dead.
Well, not you. Old people.
Yeah. Like Shadow, he has fur.
He has fur, so he's okay.
Yeah. But I don't look.
No.
I'm a person.
Yeah.
Persons don't have fur.
Well, we'll just have to make
What
sure.
on my hand? Boo-boos from monkey bars.
Ay, ay, ay.
I had monkey bars a lot. I was really into monkey bars.
What's in the box?
You know.
Let me see.
Huh. Not day.
It's not day.
Why do they cut at night?
Could be a mockingbird.
Mockingbird is night.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe just a bird. This mouse is inside.
Oh, the
You know.
the magenta mouse.
I have to hop back in the box. I don't want to break.
Yeah. What else is in there?
I need a lay. Lay on the cover. Nothing else.
What happened to the orange beads?
Dog.
Oh. Do you like what I got you for your birthday?
Yes, I do.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What's your favorite food?
Chocolate.
Food, not dessert.
Pasta.
Do you think that will be your favorite food in 10 years? You know how old you'll be in 10 years? 14. Mm-hmm.
My son's 14.
In 10 years. You'll be 14 years old.
That's really old.
You're going to want to wear makeup. You're going to say, Mom, everybody at school is wearing makeup. And what else will you want at 14?
My mom says they're supposed to play a Dodger game tonight.
Oh, yeah?
But they're not, I guess. My mom said they're supposed to play a Dodger game.
Oh, it's not lit up. You're right. The lights aren't on.